Good morning again.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning, sir.
Sir, can you send this PDF to our WhatsApp group?
Good morning, sir.
On factorization.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, no problem. I'll send it.
Good morning, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Abhinav was asking doubt.
Good morning, sir.
Abhinav was asking doubt in the morning session. Let's listen to him if he is available. He has not joined, I think. Abhinav,
He is there, but he is not speaking, sir.
Yes, sir. He's there, sir. But he was not speaking.
okay, fine. Question number 10 was the last question we had done. Now coming to question 11. If you observe this, it's in the form of a square minus b square identity, which is a plus b into a minus b. In this case, a is 2p whole square.
2a,
2p.
2p whole square
2p
minus
minus
3q,
3q into
3q whole square.
So
2p
Yes,
plus
sir.
2p
3q.
plus 3q into 2p minus 3q. It's there in option B.
Option B, sir.
So the next question is almost similar to that 104 and 96. It can be written as 100 plus 5 and 100 minus 5. So it is 100 square minus 5 square. So from 10,000 we need to
Option B,
subtract
sir.
725. So 9975 option B is the right answer. So that was related to set 1. Now we have set 2. In this there are few questions which are different from the previous. First question is to identify the incorrect mathematical statement.
So option B is
Yes, sir.
incorrect.
Option B is incorrect. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option B is incorrect. Here, instead of 5x square, if it is 5x, then only it will be correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
5x.
sir. Question 2. Factors of p square plus 6p plus 8. It is again splitting the middle term. This is the product.
Yes, sir.
This is the sum. Here, the coefficient of p square is 1. So, to get the sum as 6 and the product as 8, we can consider
So 4 and
2
2.
and 4.
4 and 2.
Both are
Yes,
positive.
sir.
B
Both will
plus
be
4
positive.
into P plus 2, sir.
Correct. Option C is having both the terms positive, p plus 2 and p plus
Sir,
4.
by seeing the options only, we can get to know what is the answer.
Yeah, sometimes it will be difficult if negative number is there.
Yes, sir.
When positive numbers are, it's easy to guess. Here you can see that 4 into 4 will give us 16. 4 plus 4 will give 16. Sorry, 8. So it has to be a plus 4 into a plus 4. Or else you can also think like a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is a and b is 4. So it is nothing but a plus b whole square. Yes, sir. वेद प्रकाश कुछ बोलना चाहता है? कुछ नहीं. Question number 4. Factors of
Option D, sir.
Sir, option number B.
2 into x plus 2. 2 bracket x
Sir,
plus 2.
D, sir, D.
option
Yeah,
D. Delta.
D, sir. Option number D.
Okay, sir.
3x plus
Next one is also
4.
very easy. 5x we have to take it as a common thing. If 5x is taken out, y
Option number A,
remains
sir.
and 2
Y
remains.
plus 2.
Option number A.
Option
Option
A.
number A.
Option A, sir.
Very good. Moving on to question 6. Here, AB can be taken out. Along with that, for 12 and 15, we have a common factor
Sir,
3.
option
Option
number
number
So
B.
B.
3AB can
Option
be
A, sir.
taken out.
Sir, option number A.
4A remains
number A.
and 5B remains. Option A.
Sir, option number A. Yes, sir.
In the next question, we have x to the power 4 followed by x cube
Sir,
where x square.
2x square is common, sir. Option A.
2x square, if you take as common, we will be getting
Sir, option number A,
7x
sir.
square
Option
here.
A, sir.
7x
No.
square.
Option A.
From here, it will be minus 9x. From here, it will be plus 5.
5.
So
Sir,
this
option number
thing
D.
is present in option A. Option A is correct. If 2x square is taken out, these things will remain. You can see 5 is there, minus 9x is there, plus 7x square is there. So option A is
Yes, sir.
correct.
Option A. Yes, sir. Option number
In the
A.
next question, there is 12 common.
So option,
Well,
Option
option
C
C.
is a correct answer. Correct, sir.
Yes, sir.
In the next one, it's a multiple of 11. If 11 is taken out, 2
Option B,
and
sir.
3.
none of this.
Option D,
No,
sir.
sir. None
There
of
is
all.
none of
None of these, sir.
Actual
Option number D,
answer
sir.
is
None of this.
11 times of 2y minus
2y minus
3
3z.
3Z.
3z. 2y minus 3z.
11, 2y minus 3Z. Option number D, sir. None of these.
Uday, it is not 11 comma, it is 11 times of 11 into.
Okay, sir.
10th one,
Option B.
7 can be taken out, yes.
Option B,
P
sir.
can be taken out, Q can
Yes,
be
sir.
taken out.
Option
So
B,
2
sir.
remains plus 5R remains. So option B.
5 are option B.
Question 11. It's I think it's grouping terms.
Yes, sir.
In the first group, we can have 2y
2y.
as common.
Yes,
So
sir. 2y is
x
common.
remains
Yes,
plus
yes.
1 remains plus 3
Yes, sir.
times of x plus 1. In the next step, we can take x plus 1 as a common thing. 2y
2y
plus
plus
3.
3.
Where
Yes,
is
sir.
2y plus 3 and x plus 1? Option
Yes,
B.
sir. Option number B. Option B.
Okay. 12th one is similar. We have to group them and
Yes, sir.
we can find from the first two terms, 2y can be
2 is
taken
common.
out.
2y minus 3 into 3x minus 2, sir.
If
Yes,
2
sir.
is taken out, 3x will remain minus 2 plus in these two terms, if I am taking minus 2
Common.
minus
3 is common.
minus 3 common, we will be getting minus 2 plus 3x. So this is 3x minus 2 times of 2y minus
Option B.
3.
B, sir.
Option
B.
B.
both negative. Option B. Yes. You understood why I have not taken plus 3? I have taken
Yes, sir.
minus 3
Under
common here. What if
So if
plus 3
minus
is
into
taken
minus,
out?
so minus into minus plus, sir. So we should take the minus.
Suppose if plus 3 is taken, do we get 3x minus 2?
No, sir.
We won't get it. That is the reason why I have taken minus 3 as common.
Yes, sir.
In this question,
Option C.
7a can be taken
Option
out.
C.
Yes, sir. Option number
Option C.
Option C.
Very good.
7.
5x square y minus 15xy square. We can take 5x
B, sir. Option
common.
number B.
Option B, sir.
Option B, sir.
Option
Option
B.
Option
B.
number B. Option B.
So they were easy. So set 2 was very easy. Now let's take set 3. Here 3 terms are there. If you observe in all the terms, xy is being common. If xy is taken out, a and 1x will remain, ax will remain. In this,
BY.
by
Yes, sir. Option B.
cz.
Option
Sir,
D.
option A.
cz.
Option
CZ.
Option A,
Option D.
sir.
Option A, sir.
Option A. Option
Sir,
A.
option number A, sir. Option A.
Correct. This is like grouping. X is taken out.
Yes, sir.
We get x plus
X
y
plus Y.
plus 8
8
is
is 2.
taken out, x plus y.
X plus y.
So
X plus 8
x,
into
X
X plus y.
correct, sir.
Y.
X plus y into x plus 8.
Option B, sir.
Option.
Option number B.
This is again grouping. The first two terms we can take
3x,
3x
3x,
common.
sir.
common, sir. 3x,
So
sir.
5,
5y
5y
minus 2.
5y
minus
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 2.
2.
3x.
plus 1 time of 5y
3x.
minus 2.
5y
So
minus
5y
2, sir.
minus 2 and 3x
Option
plus 1.
B.
Minus 2, 3x plus
So
Option number
option
B.
B
Option
is
B, sir.
correct.
Yes, sir.
Bravo. Now you are telling option A. Option A cannot be there here. It is 3x plus 2. Here
Yes,
we
sir.
are
Option
getting
number
3x
B,
plus
sir.
1.
Option B.
Okay. In the next one, x common a plus b
Option C, sir.
minus y common a plus b. Minus
X
y
is
means
a
Option
x
C.
minus y. X
common.
minus y. Option
Option
C.
C, sir.
Very good. Option C
C,
is
sir.
correct.
Option number C.
In question number 5, 15
15
can be taken out. We will be
PQ.
getting PQ plus 1
PQ plus 1.
plus
1 P.
Rearrange.
cannot do
Common.
anything.
So we have to
Yes, sir.
rearrange it. 15
Yes,
PQ
sir.
and
We have to
25P
rearrange.
and
Yeah,
15 plus
yes, sir.
9Q.
We can do like this. Sir.
Let us rearrange.
9q plus
Yes, sir. We should rearrange.
15 PQ
Why should we?
plus 25P
5p.
plus
15
9P
plus
plus
9Q.
15.
15 plus 9q.
These two are written separate. These two are
Sir,
kept
9Q. Sir, you have written 9P.
Oh, 9P.
The
Yeah.
9p.
So it has to be 9Q. In the first two terms,
20,
5
sorry,
can be taken
5P
out.
is common.
We get
2,
Sir, option number A,
3,
sir.
3.
Sir.
Sir,
3Q
option.
No, sir,
plus
3Q.
3Q
3Q
Option
plus
number A.
plus 5
Just 5.
plus 3
5.
common 3Q plus 5.
Option
So
A, sir.
3Q plus 5 is multiplied to 5Q, sorry, 5P plus 3.
5P plus 3.
3, sir. 5P plus 3.
Sir,
Option A.
option A.
Option A is correct. Question number 6. Here 1 can be taken as a common thing. So 1 time of
Yes, sir.
z minus 7
XY is
plus
common, sir. XY is common.
XY is common.
we won't get anything.
1 XY.
It has to be minus
7
7. No?
Minus x, sir. Minus x.
Minus
xy.
XY is common, sir. 1 minus 7.
Minus 7 we get here. And
1
here
minus
Plus
plus
1.
z. Plus
Plus,
z.
yes, sir, plus, yeah.
Sir, but
So we will be getting a 1 minus xy into z minus 7. Is it there somewhere?
yes, sir.
Z minus 7 is there.
Sir,
Here
option number A.
Option D, sir.
Option
A.
No, sir.
Option A, sir. Option
A,
A.
sir. Option A.
Z minus
Option A.
7. 1 minus xy. So it's there in option A. Next one is clearly a plus b whole square. This question is
Yes, sir.
repeated. X plus 4 into x plus 4. In this question, the product is 36 and the sum is minus 12. So your
Sir,
common sense should
A
say
minus
that
B whole square.
minus 6
Plus,
into minus 6 is plus 36 and minus 6 added to minus 6 will be minus 12.
minus 12, sir. Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
we will be having expression like 4y square minus 6x, sorry, minus 6y minus 6y plus 9.
Minus 6y plus 9.
So in the first two terms, there is 2y
2y.
common,
2y common.
2y remains minus
Y
3
minus 3.
minus
Yes, sir. Why not?
in दोनों में 3 we can take out. We'll be getting 2y minus No.
3.
3.
Correct.
3
Correct.
comes,
Minus
sir.
3.
Minus 3.
So 2y minus 3 into 2y minus 3. So it's option B.
Option B, sir. Yes. Sir.
This is
Yes,
pretty
sir.
simple. 7p whole square
7p whole
minus 6
square
square.
minus 6 square. 7p plus 6 into 7p minus 6, sir.
Very good. Option C. Is that it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. 10th one. A square minus 2ab. From this, if I
Here you
take
have to
a,
do.
Sir,
Yes.
a square plus
Yes.
a square minus b square. No, sir. A minus b whole square minus c square.
A minus B whole square minus C square, sir. A plus
Yes, sir.
B plus C.
oh,
A plus
correct,
B
sir.
minus C.
You are right. Absolutely correct. This to be considered as one group. So it is a minus b whole square minus c square.
Minus c square.
Now it is like x square minus y square. This will be x plus y into x minus y.
Yes.
If you use that here, a minus b plus c is 1. Another is a minus b minus c.
Option
So
A, sir.
where is that? Option A. Yes, option A is correct. Very good. Question number 11.
Sir,
Sir,
m
256
square
is the
whole
square of
square
16.
minus 60 square, 16 square.
And 16 is the square of
M.
4. M square whole.
Yes, sir.
256 is 16
Option C,
square,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
So
M
m
square whole square minus 16 square.
one of the term
Yes, sir.
has to be positive, one should be negative. That is there in option C. Option C is correct. In
Sir, we
case,
can again
again we can
factorize,
simplify
sir.
this. It can be written as m square plus 16 multiplied to
M.
m plus 4 into m minus 4.
Yes, sir.
This is easy. 3 2 times is 6. 3 added to 2 is 5. So I think this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
This one is simple.
Yes, sir. X square minus 5
Delta.
square.
Option D.
Option D. Because
X
x plus 5
X
into x
X
minus
plus 5 X minus 5.
5. This one is
Option A.
also simple. 6 plus 3x. 6 minus 3x. Option A. What will be the square of this? X
Option
square.
X
B, sir.
square plus
1 by x
1
square
by X square plus
minus
2.
2.
Plus 2, sir.
Minus 2.
Minus
Yes,
2,
sir.
sir. Minus 2.
Minus 2.
That
Option number A.
option is there in B only, sir. Here A cannot be because this has to be positive.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So option B is
Option B,
correct.
sir. Yes, sir.
Next set number 4. This is again grouping. In the first
Factorial.
group, we can take
A is a
A
common,
as a
sir.
common.
A as a common thing. No,
A plus B.
No,
no,
sir.
we have
Yes,
to
sir. No,
rearrange,
sir.
I think.
Sir,
This
Yes,
should
sir.
be
A
Rearrange,
square
sir.
plus
taken
AB.
along with this. A times of
Yes,
A
sir.
plus B. Plus C
And
can be
C as a
taken along
common
with A plus B.
in place B.
So
A plus
A
B,
plus
sir.
B is multiplied to A plus C.
Option
A
number B,
plus
sir.
Option
B
B.
multiplied to A
Option
plus
B.
C. Option B. Yes.
Option B.
Question 2. Factors of. Best thing is club this x square together, then y square together, so
Y
that
square.
x square we can take common. We will be
A
having
A
a
plus
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 B.
B.
b plus y
So
square
option
being common.
Y square.
C.
A
A
plus B.
plus
Option,
b. So
option
it
C,
is
sir.
like a plus b multiplied to x square plus y square.
X square plus Y square. Sir, yes,
Mhm.
Option
sir.
C.
Option A.
Option C.
Option A, no? No. No, sir.
No, no, sir.
Not option A. It
C,
is
sir.
option C.
Option C,
Because
sir.
here it is only
Yes,
just
sir.
a plus b.
Option C
In option A, it was a square plus b square.
plus B square, sir. Option C, sir.
Okay. Moving on to question number 3. In the first two, 1 can be taken common. 1 time of 1 plus a. In the next two term,
Yes,
AC
is
can
a
be taken common.
common,
So
sir.
1 plus a.
Yes, sir.
So
1 plus
1 plus a into 1 plus AC. It's
C
option
is
A.
yes.
yes. Option number A.
Yes. Think about question number 4. It's easy. Is it easy? Y
The
term
xy and
consider
px.
y is taken common.
Sir, xy
We will be
minus
getting
px.
x plus q.
No, sir. We should take xy and px minus px common groups, sir.
Sir,
If I consider this also, I may get, I think. Let me check. Minus p, if I take out, what do I get? X plus q.
Q.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Sir,
sir.
We
option
get
B, sir.
x
Option
plus
B.
q into
Y
y minus
minus
p.
p. Yes, sir.
Y
Option number
minus
B.
p, x plus q. Option B.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Moving on to question 5. They have given expression like this. How to find the factor?
We have to simplify, then only we'll get, sir.
We get, that's my question.
The AB x square plus AB y square. We have to
AB
simplify.
x square
Plus
plus AB
a
y square.
square y xy plus b square xy.
XY a square plus
XY b square.
No, how
We
do
can take AB as a common, sir. AB as a common.
see again? If you take AB common, you get revert back to the previous step. So don't do that.
We regroup, sir, here.
Better is
AB
regroup.
x.
Regroup how? How do we regroup it? Shall we
AB
combine
x
these
square
two?
and xy a square.
sir, xy
AB x square
into
plus XY a square plus
Plus
Yes, sir.
AB y square plus
plus
XY b square. इन दोनों में क्या कॉमन है? ये x is common.
yes, sir. Ax.
Ax is taken out. Bx will
B plus y.
Bx
Bx
will
plus
remain.
Yes, sir.
plus
Yes.
ay plus ay. Sir.
Y, sir. Y, only Y.
Ay.
No, sir. AY, sir.
Y.
One of the
AY,
A will
yes,
No, Y,
remain,
sir.
right? Ay plus
Yeah, yes, sir.
is
B,
By, sir.
BY, sir.
by we can take common.
Yes, sir. BY, sir. BY.
So what
Ay
remains
XB.
is
AY.
Ay
AY,
plus
sir. Common.
bx.
plus
AY, comma.
Bx.
Yes.
Yes,
Bx
sir.
will
Y
BX.
remain.
plus x, sir.
These two are same.
Ax plus 2.
Correct.
AX plus BY.
Ax
BX plus AY.
plus By is multiplied to
Yes, sir.
AX
AB
plus
Option number
plus
B.
B.
Bx.
Yes, sir. Option number B.
Ay Bx. Ay Bx. Ax
Option B.
plus
Option
By.
Sir, option number B, sir. Option B.
Sir, both are same only.
Both the same.
AX plus BY into AY plus BX. No, sir. Different, sir.
Sir, option B, sir. Option B.
Option B is correct. This option
Yes, sir.
is there here.
Yes, sir. It is there.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is simple, direct answer we can say.
7x whole square minus 4y whole square, sir.
7x plus
7x
4y.
whole square plus
Option A.
7x
4.
minus 4y
Option number
7x
A.
minus
Plus
4y, 7x plus 4y.
plus 4y.
Yes, correct.
Option.
Next one, it is not a
Yes,
square
sir.
number, but however, by taking something common, we can make it a square number. What should be taken common?
6, sir.
6, 243 is
3, sir.
divisible by 6. No, this is not divisible by 6. So if you
3
take
can be common,
3
sir.
as
3
common,
as a common.
we will be getting 16 a square minus 81 b square.
81.
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
81.
3 as it
2a
is,
whole square.
this can be written as 4a
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 square
plus
minus
9b
9b whole square.
into 4a minus 9b. A square minus b square, x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y.
Yes, sir.
So where is this?
Option A, sir.
Oh,
But
Option
3 is not.
yeah, 3 is missing, no?
Yes, sir. None of
3
these.
is missing in this.
Right there, A, sir. You should,
So very best is they have given none of this. We have to select this because
yes, sir.
3 is also a factor. It has to be
Yes,
mentioned.
sir.
In the next one, it's grouping terms. And we group it like, is it like grouping? No.
No, sir.
Sir, we have to use identity a plus b minus
Understood,
b whole
sir.
square.
This can be written
Identity,
as
sir.
4x square
4x square
minus of
minus y square.
minus of y square minus 6y plus 9. This inside the bracket is like a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this is 2x whole square minus y minus
Y,
3 whole square. The result will be 2x minus y plus 3 into 2x plus y minus 3.
Minus 3.
Y minus 3 whole square.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Option B is the correct answer.
Option B, sir.
Yes, sir. If you are having doubt on this, but best thing is you simplify it. Okay, from here I have taken this as 1. I have grouped here by taking minus of. Next question is direct evaluate. It's like a plus b into a minus b. 502 added to 498 is 1000 and the difference is 4. So we get 4000 as the answer. This is like a plus b into a minus b. A plus b will be 1000, a minus b will be 4. So the product is 4000. In the next one, we have to add them and subtract. What is a plus b? It will be 10. A minus
Yes, sir.
b. Difference kitna hai?
7.2, sir. 72.
10 minus
7.2, sir.
7.2. So the product is 72. Option A.
Option A.
Okay. Question number 11. A square plus 2ab plus b square.
We can split. We can split 10x into, sir, 5x plus 5x.
Correct, sir. Or it can be expressed as x plus 5 whole square. X square
Yes, sir.
plus
Yes, sir.
25 is 5 square. This middle term is 2ab. 2 into 5 into x.
Yes, sir. 2AB.
Correct, sir.
Can you-
Here the product is 15. If you take 5 into 3, 5 plus 3, it works. So
Yes,
plus
sir.
3 and plus 5. Option A. In the next one, the product is 12. Sum is minus 7.
Minus 7 can be
Minus
split
3,
into
minus
minus
4.
4, minus 3.
Minus
Minus
4
3, sir.
added to minus 3.
Minus
Minus
3,
3.
sir.
This is minus 4 into minus 3. So what will
Option
be the
C.
result? Option C will be the result.
Yes, sir. Option number
Yes,
C.
sir. Option C is correct. In the question number 14, the sum has to be 1. So one of them has to be negative. Which one is negative? It has to be like this.
Smaller number will be negative.
Yes, sir. Smaller number
Yes.
will be negative. In this question, it is not a square number. So identity cannot be used. Here it should be 6 times of 4. This will be 6 plus 4. So option A is correct. If you are having doubt on these type of questions, it's better that you use split the middle term and simplify. You may waste 1 minute time, but you will get the correct answer. Now we have higher order thinking skill questions. In some slides, I have taken 2 questions. In some slides, I have taken 3 to 4 questions. In this slide, there are 2 questions.
3AB is common, sir.
In the first, we can consider 3AB as common.
Yes, common, sir.
If 3AB is taken as common, we get 4A plus
4A
4A plus 5,
plus A
5B.
B.
5B.
Further, we cannot do anything. That itself is the answer. In the next question, it is 10. The best is I will rearrange it.
2x square is common, sir.
14x to the power 4 minus 18x cube plus 10x square. In these 3 terms, there is x square common and 2 also common.
Yes, sir.
So 2x square, if I take it out, we get 7x square here minus 9x
7x
here.
minus 9x.
From here, it becomes plus 5.
Yes,
Can
sir.
we
Plus
further
5.
simplify? 7 5s are 35. Can we get the product as 35 and sum as minus 9? 7 5s are 35. 7 and 5 will not give minus 9. That's the only possibility.
Yes, sir.
So this itself is the answer. We cannot simplify further. Next, in question 3, there are 3 sub-questions. In this, there are 3 sub-questions. Here
Sir,
we
these
can
questions
take,
were there in MCQ.
it was there, I don't remember. If 6 is taken common, it is 2
Yes, sir.
plus
Yes, sir.
6.
2x.
2x plus
Yeah, we
6.
can
Sir,
take
we can
12
take
common.
12 as a common, sir.
Correct, sir.
That we can take
12 as common, x
X plus 3.
3.
X plus 3.
In this 11 was common, 2y minus 3z.
2y
In
minus
these 2
3z.
terms, 7pq
7.
common,
7 common. 7
2
p.
plus 5r. This question we have to rearrange the terms, or we can take by grouping 2y common, we get 3x
3x
minus 2.
3x minus 4.
2
Ah,
2s are
yes.
plus
3 as a common, sir.
plus minus
Minus.
Sir, 3
minus
plus.
minus, because here we
Minus
are having minus 2. If you take minus 3 as common, then only we get minus 2 plus 3x. Now the middle terms are, these terms are same. So 3x minus 2 is multiplied to 2y minus 3.
2y minus 3.
Hope you are understanding it.
A plus B whole square, sir.
A plus b whole square.
X
Yes, sir.
Middle term 2ab, 2 into 4 into x, correct.
X plus
So
4 into x plus 4.
answer here is x plus 4 into x plus 4. For this, it is
A minus
written
B
as
whole square.
2y minus
minus
3 whole square. 2y minus 3 into 2y minus 3. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. 7p plus 6
7p minus 6
7p
into
minus
7p
6.
plus 6.
7p plus 6, 7p minus 6.
Here grouping. No, not grouping.
A minus B whole square
This
minus
Yes,
C
sir.
square.
terms together,
Square minus C
a
square.
minus b whole square minus c square. So
Minus
we
C.
get a minus b plus c into a minus b minus c.
Minus C.
Yes, sir. Yeah, this is important question. We have solved it. Once again, if you want, I'll explain. This can be written as m square whole square minus 16
Minus
square.
16 square.
So it is m square plus 16 multiplied to m square minus 16. This can be further
Further we
written
can
as 4 square. So m square plus 16 into m plus 4 into
plus
m
4
minus
and
4.
minus 4.
That's the end of
So
it.
this M4 minus 256 is a cube number, sir.
M square
M4 and raised to the power 4 minus 256 is a cube number, sir.
it is not a cube number actually. This is a biquadratic, means the power is 4. Here you can count the powers here. This is 2 plus 1 plus 1. Totally 4.
Yes.
Yes. This one is easy.
We can,
X
sir, can
plus
we
2 into x plus 3. Can you voice is
further
breaking?
simplify m square plus 16, sir?
M square
Sir,
plus
one
16.
cannot make one.
M square plus 16 can be further factorized, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
cannot be further factorized. We don't have
We
an
don't have
identity like a square plus
to
b square. It is not there. Whereas a square minus b square, it is there. It is a plus b into a
Yeah,
minus.
yes, sir. It is there, sir. A minus B and A plus B.
Sir, can we write it m plus 4 whole square?
Sir, there is no 2ab term.
It's
Sir,
a
we
2ab
can
Yes,
term.
sir.
write,
So
sir.
m plus 4 whole square also cannot be written. 2ab is missing
M
in that.
square plus 4 square, sir.
Yes, sir.
M square plus 4 square we can write.
No, this itself is an answer. If the question is changed to m to the power 4 minus 64, what to do?
Sir, m square whole square minus 8 whole square.
M square whole square
Then
minus
we
8 square. Okay.
then
M square
m
plus 8
square
into
plus m square
m
minus
square
8.
minus 8.
Finish, sir.
Yes,
Can we
sir.
further write this in different way?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes.
Yes, we can write.
No, sir. We
If
can't.
you think, we can write. If
We
you
can't
don't
write,
think, we
sir,
can't
because
write.
8 is a root of.
Uday, what is root 8 whole square?
Oh.
We write.
Sir, then every number can be written like this, no, sir.
Yes, since we are having a square minus b square format, I am using this. So this will be x square plus 8 multiplied to m plus root
M
8 into m minus root 8. Correct?
Sir, then I can write root of m whole square minus root of 8 whole square.
Here you want to write
Yes, sir.
a root of
Yes,
m
sir.
whole square minus 2 square. So
Yes,
root
sir.
m plus 2 into root m minus 2. This is
Sir, like this we
multiplied
can
to
go
m plus
infinitely
4.
long many times, no, sir.
Further how to write here? I am stopping here. Further how to write?
Sir, then root of root m
Root of
whole
root m
square.
whole square minus root 2 square. Huh?
Yes, sir. Like this we can go infinitely, sir.
Like this we can go infinitely. So better to stop at this stage. M plus 8 into m
Yes, sir.
minus 8.
Yes, sir.
So we have to stop here.
Thank you, sir.
Hey, stop here doesn't mean that I am stopping the class here.
Class, yeah.
Uday is very much happy. Let us see one more question
No, sir.
before the end. Let's see these two questions. Then I will stop.
Oh, okay.
Find the factors of this. It's like splitting the middle term.
Yes, sir.
In
Minus
detail, let
4
me tell.
Minus 4
9
The
3.
product has to be positive 12 and the sum has to be negative 7. We can have a combination like
12 is not a square number.
Minus 4 and positive 3.
Sir,
minus
4
4 into minus 3. Minus 4
Yes.
added to minus 3.
Yes, sir. -4 and
Yes.
-3.
Yes, sir. Now, y square,
Y square
middle term is minus
minus
4y minus 3y
minus
plus 12.
3y
Sir, 12 is not a square
plus
number.
12, sir.
Let's
Y is a common, sir.
flip the first two. Y
Y is a common.
times of y minus 4 minus 3 times of y minus 4. We will be getting y minus 4 into y minus 3.
Yes, sir. Y -3.
Yes, sir.
For this, what should be the answer?
Sir.
Product is negative 12.
Minus 6x
Product.
plus 2x.
Sum
2 and 6.
is minus 4.
Minus 6x plus 2z, sir.
Minus 6 added to positive 2. Minus 6 added to multiplied to positive 2. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Is the answer
Yes, sir.
z minus 6 into z plus 2? Is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So once you are obtaining this two combination, it becomes easy to write this. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this enough for today's class? Shall I share the remaining questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then all the best. Keep preparing.
Sir, I have one question, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm waiting for you.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Starting from the after.
Ah,
sir, you have studied mathematics, no, sir? According to you, in class 8 standard, top 3 topics which are very important for the basis of 9th and 10th class are which topics, sir?
factorization.
Sir, which should be very important and it will repeat in 9th and 10th class.
Yeah. Mensuration.
Okay.
This
Algebra.
these two topics definitely it will repeat. Apart from that,
Preparing for
probability also
Sir,
repeats.
and graph, sir.
Probability repeats. Then there is
algebra, sir.
ungrouped data in statistics.
Introduction to graph, sir.
Ungrouped data will repeat. Finding mean, median, mode.
Yes, sir.
Linear
Mean.
graph and line graph, sir.
This will repeat. Line graph will repeat.
Yes, sir. Line graph.
To some extent, you also have histogram.
Linear graph, sir.
Histogram is also there. This will repeat. This concept will repeat.
Sir, I had some network problem. Can you repeat what you just said?
Abhinav's question was, what are the topics which will repeat in class 9th and class 10th? These are the topics
Yes,
of
sir.
8th class. This will repeat definitely in class 9th and class 10th. Factorization,
sir.
mensuration, probability. In factorization, mainly that splitting middle term. It will repeat. In mensuration, the solid figures, 3D. Its surface area, volume, it will repeat. In probability, it's a continuation of whatever you have learned. In statistics, ungrouped data will repeat. Apart from this, you learn how to group the data and how to find mean, median, mode. Then there is
Yes, sir.
histogram, which will
Its
repeat.
properties.
Linear
Linear graph.
equation. Linear equation, you have learned in
In
one
one area.
variable. Now in class 9th, there is two
Two
variables.
variables.
Linear equation in two
And
variables.
combination of coordinate geometry also.
Variable.
Topics of coordination geometry also repeats. To tell you frankly, 9th class
Practical.
is 60% geometry and 40% arithmetic and algebra. So 60%
60%.
geometry is there. There is a detailed study on triangles, quadrilaterals. You have several theorems which are related to triangles and quadrilaterals. You have learned
Yes,
the
sir.
congruency, isn't it? Same
Yes, sir.
congruency
Yes,
is
sir.
used to prove most of the theorems. You will come across midpoint theorem, you will come across converse of midpoint theorem, things like that. Okay,
Sir, comparing quantities will stop here at 8th class only, sir.
Really, sir.
Yes, sir.
Teacher.
Comparing quantity will stop here at 8th class, but when I started my teaching career in 2005, this was one of the important concept because in 9th class you had sales tax, commercial tax. In class 10th, there was something called as income tax.
Yes, sir.
If you ask your parents, if your parents are paying income tax, there is a difficult way of calculating income tax. There is something called as a slab. If your salary is between some range, they give some slab, that percentage you have to consider. These things were there. Sales tax, commercial tax, income tax, these concepts were removed later in 2009. Syllabus got changed in 2009. Yes, sir.
Sir, then ICSE will finish syllabus of 10th and 9th class in 8th class only, sir. Like linear inequation is
In
simple, sir.
8th class, actually, you have all the topics which are there in CBSE. Along with that, one or two concepts extra is there which are in 9th class. In ICSE syllabus, you are going to learn trigonometry in class 9th, but in class 10th, in CBSE, you are going to learn the same concept.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
More or less, it is same. 90% it is same. 10% there is an addition. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
If you are preparing, it's better I ask you to go for this International Mathematics Olympiad book. The questions in this, they cover both ICSE as well as CBSE syllabus.
Yes, sir. CBSE.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Keep studying. All the best.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Welcome.